How to save Inshot draft video in gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Inshot draft video to your gallery. If you have been editing a video in Inshot and want to keep a copy, follow these easy steps and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your Inshot app on your phone. Once the app is open, you will be taken to the main dashboard, and if you tap on the video and if you have any draft videos here, it will show up right here. As you can see, I have one drafted video here. Now in order to save the draft video, it's quite simple and easy. If you tap on the three dots, you will see the three options: delete, copy and rename. Now to save it to your gallery, you simply need to tap on the video and it will load up. Once it's loaded up, you are simply gonna tap on the export button, and as here you can set the resolutions of the video, frame rate of the video and the format of the video. Once you are done with that, simply tap on the export. Once you have tapped on it, the video will be downloaded. So in this way you can insert draft video to your gallery. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.